A horizontal circular groove is made in a wooden board. Two positive charges Q are placed in a groove at separation 90 degree. Where shall we place a third charge? What shall be its magnitude, such that all three of them remain at rest after they are released. Any for two cases when the third positive charge is positive and B part is when third is negative. Neglect friction and assume that groove is very thin एंड यहाँ पे कुछ वैल्यूज़ गिवन है हमको. तो क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है कि हॉरिजेंटली प्लेन पे प्लेस्ड एक ग्रूव सर्कुलर ग्रूव है. इसमें दो चार्जेस हमारे पास ऑलरेडी हैं क्यू एंड क्यू. हमें तीसरा चार्ज प्लेस करना है सच दैट कि सिस्टम हमारा इक्विलिब्रियम में मेंटेन रहे. तो फॉर दैट हमें पहला हमारे है पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो एज आई कैन सी वी शुड प्लेस द charges here or here, because the charge which are going to placed it and these two charges can move only along the groove, means tangentially. So if the forces are balanced tangentially, then we can say the system is in equilibrium. So for that point of view, if I think like that way, I am going to place a positive charge there. So on this charge, because of that positive charge, there is a repulsive force along this direction, and from this charge again a repulsive force along this direction. So the tangential component of both forces will be in this direction. So this charge will be moved leftward. It will not remain at equilibrium. For that point of view, we should place charge somewhere here. So now I am going to show you the possible position of that charge. So that charge can be placed here of unknown magnitude q dash. Now I am going to assume some geometrical angles. So for that, if I join both the q charges, this angle become 45. This is also 45. If I assume this angle as alpha, okay, and this angle, so then this angle can also be alpha. And if I draw a line like this way, which is passing from center, so now this angle will be, this angle can be written as also alpha. As you can see, these sides are similar of this triangle, so these angles are also same. Now further, geometrically I am going to find alpha. For that I am going to consider this triangle. See it carefully. It's like alpha plus 45 plus 90 and is equal to 180. Got it? From here you will see alpha will be 22.5. okay, so here we get this alpha, I think. Now from next step we will consider forces from q and q dash on this q. So very first force I can write like this. Okay, this I can write F, and from q dash I can write like this. This can be written as F dash. We have to apply a little bit geometry here. So for geometry, you can see this is 45-degree angle, and this angle, as you can see, this is alpha. So this angle can also be like alpha. So this will be 90 minus alpha. But if I'm going to deal with angles with vertical line only, so I will extend this line, and this angle become now 45, and this angle become alpha. Now get the tangential components. Okay, so these are the tangential components. Very first one is F dash sine alpha, and second one is F sine 45. Now initially I have told you any of the charge can move along the groove. To remain them at equilibrium, we should balance the force along tangent direction on any of them. So I can write F dash sine alpha is equal to F sine 45. Get the value of F dash. F dash will be K Q dash Q upon distance between them is 2r. It is like that. If I draw this perpendicular, this is 2r, तो ये लेंथ आपका आएगा 2r cos alpha, 2 नहीं सिर्फ r cos alpha, and this also become r cos alpha, so total become 2r cos alpha. तो 2r cos alpha का square into sin alpha is equal to f sin 45. F is k q square upon 2r. दिस टाइम ये लेंथ जो होगा वो अगर आप देखोगे तो ये लेंथ आएगा r cos alpha, r cos 45, and this will also be r cos 45. Total will be 2r cos 45. थोड़ा ज्योमेट्री हमें ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा. And alpha is given because it is 22.5. तो sin alpha और ये हमारा cos alpha, जब सबकी वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे हम, और तब हमारा q डैश आएगा अप्रॉक्सीमेट 3.14 टाइम्स